Revenue is vanity, profit is reality. Job costing is super important so you know exactly what jobs made you money and which jobs just kept your crews busy. This week I want to do a deep dive as to why job costing is so important for you and your crews. Every job is made up of several different factors. You need to know labor estimated, labor actual. You need to know material estimated, material actual. We also need to know equipment costs. We need to know subcontractor costs. You may have waste disposal expense in there. You also will want to figure in change orders. Your job costing should then produce a gross profit dollar and a gross profit percentage. So there's a timeline that works well with job costing. Every day, hours need to be tracked and get put into your system. Material invoices should be submitted within 24 to 48 hours of being delivered on a job site. Our project managers should be reviewing the job costing within 1 week of job completed. This obviously will give you lessons learned, whether you made profit, whether you lost money, and that then can be applied to your estimating in the future. If you don't have a system in place to help you with your job costing, I highly recommend reaching out. There are plenty of professionals in this industry. I know I've worked side by side, Synced Up, LMN, Leanscaper. There's all these great companies out there that help you track your job costing to make sure that you're making money on each and every job. I want you to wrap your brain around, just think if you could make all those negative losses into positives. It would be amazing. You may have certain projects you're extremely profitable on and you don't even know it. Those are the jobs you're gonna wanna do consecutively over and over and over. Never mind the jobs you lose money. If you're losing money consistently on the same type of project, why would you continue to do that? You may be very efficient at doing walks and patios, but lose money every wall job you do. So why are you doing that? Or why are you not bidding it properly? These are extremely important parts of your business. And like I said, just think back to turning those negatives into positives and think of the profit you could be sitting on at the end of the year. Every job that you install should either be making you money or teaching you something. If you like this video, be sure to check out the video above that I did with Weston Zimmerman from Synced Up. We do a deep dive into some of these job costings, and I think you'll find some good gold nuggets. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you next week. You're still here? Click the video on the screen. That's what most contractors watch next. Look forward to seeing you next Friday for our tip of the week.